Hey everyone, welcome to EdTech Hustle. I'm going to show you an awesome resource for information or for creating a study guide or anything else that can help you learn material. It's called Turbo.ai. This is a program, it's completely free, and you'll see how it works. What's going to happen is you'll upload your content, whether that's a PDF, a video, audio file, or a document. It's going to allow its AI to process that. It will then generate a number of different types of study materials, whether it's a study guide, flashcards, quizzes, even a podcast, and then obviously you'll be able to succeed. So let's get started. So I want to learn about Microsoft Copilot. I found this awesome video, but it is kind of long. It's an hour and 23 minutes. So what I'm going to do is to take this URL and I'm going to add this into Turboscribe. So you can sign up for free like I have in Turboscribe, but what I want to do now is choose this option that says website link. From here, I'm just going to paste that link and I'm going to select generate notes. In just a few minutes, Turboscribe will generate a study guide for me that has all of the key parts of that video right here in this document. But that's not all. As you can see, right over here to the side, I have the option to chat with it. So from here, I can ask a number of different questions and it will give me the answers. So I'm going to say how much is a Copilot subscription, and that information is right over here. So something that's really cool, but that is not the only thing, because right over here to the side, you can see some of the different options. This was the chatbot that I previously was on before, but there's also the option to generate a podcast. Now to do this, I can select my speaker. Of course, we have our premium voices, with this being the free one. I'll just say Hart is one, speaker number 2 will be Michael. Let's say this one is short, and I'm just going to generate this podcast, and in a few minutes, in the same way, a podcast is going to be available for me to listen to that has all this information and will help me learn a little bit better. So we have the podcast, but we're not done yet, because we can also generate a set of flashcards. So as you can see, I can choose from a number of different flashcards. I can leave a description right over here, but I'm just going to now generate 10 flashcards with terms from that document, which of course were from the YouTube video. So here are some examples. This is the first one. If I just kind of click on this, it will go through and give me some of these names. So again, it's just kind of a fun and easy way to generate information. The last step is a quiz that I can select, again, based on the content of that document inside the video. I'll just say here. Okay, so this gives you an idea of how that works. So the website again is called Turbo.ai. If you are looking for just an easy way to generate notes, this may be something you'll want to check out.